Hi guys, what's up? It's Kirsten from Kirsten Lives, and today we are going to be doing a living room tour of our living room because as you can see behind me, we have decorations up for Christmas. Even though it's not even Thanksgiving, we love Christmas to death, and we love celebrating Jesus' birthday. Because he was born on Christmas, just to let you know, I'm sorry I haven't posted it in a long time. All my stuff, all my electronics were dead, and they didn't have their chargers. So
we just got a charger.
And then my next update is gonna be tomorrow. And that is going to be about my house tour that you guys always been talking.
And outside tour.
You guys have always been talking to me about, like, you guys are always blowing me up on that. So yeah, and then if you're wondering where Elizabeth is, she is like getting dressed, but she's just came downstairs. And so I'm really dirty. She isn't, kinda not, sort of. I don't really know. But now here she is. So right here. Okay, so time to go. Let's go. Oops. Okay.
That's a long holding the camera.
So then over here, when you first walk in, you see this couch that it says how many days until Christmas, and then it has 1 through 24, and that's our little couch that I love.
24 right now.
And then over here, you will come over here, and then you guys see the remotes. Hold on. You guys see the remotes and the Marilyn Monroe cup hold things. The things like glass things. And then you come over here, and then we have a candle from Ross Dress for Less, and it was a few dollars. And then you come over here, we have this gingerbread man that says to all a good light. So that's over there. Then my mom's Foxy cup.
We don't know why it's there, but okay.
And then over here, we have the big couch. And it has 3 stockings. This is Elizabeth's, my Fallon's, and mine. That's over there. My iPad case. And then over here's the couch again. And then when you come over here, you think that we just removed them, but we didn't. These are coming 2 over here and 1 over here. And then we have the Frosty the Snowman when he was melting. And then just don't mind that right over there. That's just a plant. And then you come over here and you see 2 horses. That's me and Elizabeth love riding horses, so that's ours. And it matches our living room. So yeah. And then you come over here, you see this pillow. We got this from IKEA. And then we got this from IKEA. We got all of our furniture from IKEA. And then this is my dad's pillow because, fun fact, my mom and my dad our parents don't like to sleep together because my dad, he snores, my mom kicks him a lot, and then she hogs all the blankets. So yeah. And then you come over here, you see this little speaker, tall speaker.
Don't mind the voice in the background, it's me vacuuming.
It's her vacuuming. And then you come over here, you see this. My mom DIY'd this. So we did not buy this. My mom made it. We can
even show you the bottom. No sticker was ripped off.
See,
We DIY'd it.
our mom did DIY'd it. Then you see this snow, but it's fake. I'm sorry, you can't have real snow. It melts in our house. We tried that before. We got in huge trouble. And then we come over here. You see our TV. It's a 70-inch.
That's a 7-day.
It's a 70-inch, and then you come over here. You see this black thing, this black little dining room thing, but we have it in here. And then you see down here under the TV. Under the TV, you see this cable box from Xfinity. I'll leave the link down below over here somewhere.
I gotta take the vacuum apart.
And then you come over here, down here, see drawers, and then there's more drawers in the middle.
Here's how I take the vacuum apart.
Okay, and then you see down here there's more, and then down there's more. And then you come over here, you see this little bottle, you see this, right, this candle, this bobblehead Santa. And then you see this book that has Christmas stuff on it. And that is from Crackle Bear. I'll leave the description down below somewhere, but I don't know where it's gonna be. So yeah. And then you come over here, there's another candle right there. Then you're on the second shelf, you see a Christmas tree. You see Santa Claus with his presents. That's me in Santa Claus in 2016 with all the snow.
Show him the picture of me.
And then over here you will see a picture of Santa, but he's actually a bear. And then there's little Santa, but that's a bear also, and they're carrying a Christmas tree. Then you see this little house over here that lights up. Let me see. Then you look. See it lights up, and then you see the Santa Claus. And it has cookies, gingerbread, and it has all these toys back here. And there's Santa. Say hi to Santa. And then there's snow right there. So that's that shelf. Then this is Elizabeth's stocking. They're very fluffy and they're very furry. We also got these from IKEA. So I'll leave them down in the description down below. And then we also got this one from IKEA. That was Elizabeth. This is Fallon. Then this is mine. We all three got these from IKEA. And then we come over on top. My grandpa DIY'd. Hold on. And then my grandpa DIY'd this, so he made this by himself. He is dead, in fact. So you guys can't get that, so I'm not gonna leave that down in the description. And then my mom bought this from IKEA also. And then
Ross.
Oh yeah, she got that from Ross. Never mind. We'll leave that down below. And then that's Fallon, my baby sister. She is 5 right now. And then you see me over here. There's me when I was in 3rd grade. And then you see those candlesticks. They're beautiful. And then that's Elizabeth's hanger. And then we got this from IKEA. And it says,
Ross too.
no, you weren't here when we got that.
Yes, I was.
This was an organ.
Oh.
So we got this from IKEA, and it says, be brave. Whoop. Okay, I'm very tired right now. Be brave, and it's like a little thing. See the iPad? And then that's Fallon's, and then that's our parents. And then you see this little angel. We don't know, I forgot where we got this, but I'll ask my mom. Then that's mine, little pulpit bear. And then you see this candlestick. It has a lot of candles, I know. Oh. And then over here, you see our fireplace. You see those 3 candles. That one's Elizabeth, that tall one. That medium one is mine, and that one little one is Fallon's. And then you see over here, you see this candle. You see this candle thing, and then you see this doll that moves around. She moves her teddy bear like this. And then you see her present. She also comes with a present. My mom does not remember where she got this, so I will not leave that down in the description because that was a long time ago. So yeah, and now we got these candles from Ross. I'll leave that in the description if they're still there, and they're very cute candles. They light up too. Hold on, let's see. Hold on. Gonna have to set you guys down here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the candle looks like. If I can do it. Hold on. But I will show you guys the other one of these. Hopefully it works better than this one because this one's probably dead or something's wrong with it. So yeah. I know it's up to it. And now we'll try this one. Yeah. That's what it looks like. It changes color. It's beautiful.
Seriously, this is what the switch is.
Oh. So those are what they look like. I'll do it. And then, so that's, and then this is a little lullaby thing that sings you a lullaby, but we have it out here for some reason. But it was,
It's a Christmas lullaby.
it was Fallon's.
These,
It was Fallon's. It was Fallon's, but we keep it out here now because Fallon doesn't use it anymore. So that's what that looks like. And then down here you see a present. And then you see Santa. He's not an ordinary Santa. He lights up. So yeah, I'm not going to show you that right now because I'm too lazy. And then you see this present. This 3-present box. And then you see the, this little Santa that hangs his feet down. It says ho, ho, ho. And then up here you will see me again. And then that's Snowman. We got that from Ross, Dress for Less. And then you see this little reindeer that says Winter Wishes. And then you see over here, you see Santa. And then over here, you will see our tall Christmas tree. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys a good look. Our tall Christmas tree. It's 12 feet tall. We got it off of Amazon, so I'll leave that description down below. And then I'm walking back. Then our star.
For $800, the tree.
Yeah, it was $800. And then our train. It goes all the way around the Christmas tree. And then we've had this for a long time. And so I'll have to ask my mom where we got that. So then we got this. And then that says Merry Christmas. Okay. And then you come over here, you see this Christmas tree that lights up. Then you see another lullaby thing that was not in Fallon's room. It was in my room. And then you see 2 candles. Right here, 1, 2. And we did DIY this. We did not DIY this. So, we did not DIY this.
Okay, this video is not sponsored by IKEA.
Yeah, it's not sponsored by IKEA, but we just have a lot of IKEA things. So yeah, and then this, my great grandpa, he DIY'd this. So he made this, and he's dead right now. So I will not leave that down in the description because he DIY'd it. And it's really cute. And then you see this plate has, this one is Elizabeth.
Which one?
This middle one, and then this is me. This is me. This is Fallon. So that's us. Then you see this Santa hat on this. That was all 3 of us when we were born. We all 3 had this on our hats because we were born in around December. All 3 of us. Then you see down here we got this from Ross Dress for Less, and I will leave that down in the description.